Hello, welcome to our class again on permutation, and today we are going to look at conditional permutation. Under the conditional permutation, which as we already previewed to, permutation is about arrangement. Okay, sometimes they can give you a certain condition that, let's say, a certain, if it's about a word, maybe a certain letters must be together, all right? Or if it's about, let's say, people sitting in a certain arrangement, okay, they can say that, okay, two boys or two girls must sit together, certain two people must be together, all right? So for instance, if let's say I have a word like, say, maximum, we know that if I'm arranging the word maximum and I'm picking all at a time, then I have to count the number of letters I have in the word. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will say 7 factorial. Alright, then as we are previewing to, I look at if I have letters that are what alike or that are the same. You can see that I have M here, alright, and I also have another M and another M. So M are how many? We have 3 M's. 1, 2, 3. So I'll divide by 3 factorial. Then, is there any other word that are alike? I have A is only 1, X is only 1, I is only 1, and then U is only 1. Okay, so it's only M that is appearing what? That is appearing 3 times. Is that okay? Alright. If I'm supposed to find the arrangement of this particular word, maximum, taking all at a time, then this is how it is going to be. Alright. When I'm arranging this letter, okay, and I'm picking all at a time, let the M be together. I should let the M be together. So if M is supposed to be together, as I'm arranging this particular letter, then how many M do I have? I have M 3 times, okay? M, I have M 3. So if the M's are to be together, I will take the M as 1. Okay, because as the M is going, M is together. So as the M is together, I'm going to take the M as what? As 1, because any arrangement I will make, the M's are going to be together. So I will take the M as what? As 1. So if I'm supposed to take the M as 1, then if I'm counting, how will I count it? Now the M is only 1. So if the M is 1, okay, then what are the other letters? So this is 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So if M is 1, then I'll have a total of what? A total of 5 letters. Alright, a total of what? A total of 5. Because the M is taken as what? As 1, because they are the same. And they have to be what? They have to be together in the arrangement. Then if that is the case, I'll take the M as 1. If I take the M as 1, you know that I have 7 letters there. So if I pick the M as 1 and M is 3, it will leave it to 4 letters. So the M as 1 plus the other 4 letters will give me 5 letters. Alright. Then in that case, in my arrangement, alright, in my arrangement, then I'm going to have what? I'm going to have only 5 letters. Okay, only 5 letters to arrange, and in that case, that will give me what? 5 factorial, because it is left with only 5 letters to arrange. And because the M is going to be together, you see the M are alike, and even since the M are alike, okay, sometimes you have to consider, you are saying that when you are arranging it, they have to be together, but as they have to be together, you have to consider the movement of the M, okay, because they are 3. So if they have to be together, maybe this M can go here, the one can go here. But these are all alike. Okay, so since they are all alike, then I will not consider the possibilities of you changing, okay, the letter M, because the M are the same. So even if this one comes first and this one comes second, it will still be what? It will still be the same thing. I hope that is clear. Let me give another example too, and then we know how we are going to show that when we get question, and then we will know how to do it. Okay, so let's take a word like letter, and we are saying that I should arrange the word letter if, let's say, the T's T should be together. T should be together. All right. So if T should be together, then I'm going to take T as what? I'm going to take T as 1. All right. So my T is going to only be 1. So in the first place, how many letters do I have here? Okay, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have what? 6 letters in letter. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so I have 6 letters in the word letter. So if T should be together, then it means that if I take T as 1, I'll have how many T's? I have 2 T's. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it means that my arrangement now becomes what? 5 factorial. All right, 5 factorial. And what we should take note of that, though the T's are together, but as my arrangement is what? It's 5 factorial. What we should take note is to look if there is any other letter that also repeats. All right, if there is any other letter that also repeats. So let me see if there is any other letter that also repeats. There is E. E here is 2 times. Okay, I have E here. So, and then, okay, the L is only 1 and the R is only 1. So since the E are 2, I'm going to divide by what? By 2 factorial. I believe that is clear. So in the same question, they can even say that, okay, let's say T should not be together. Okay, if T should not be together, then you find the arrangement that T should be together, which is this, and subtract the arrangement that we are taking this all at a time. Okay, how the entire arrangement is going to be without any condition if you are taking all at a time. So if there is no condition, then how is this going to be if you are picking all at what? At a time. How many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that will give me 6 factorial. All right, and then we have some letters that are alike. That is T, so divide by 2 factorial, and then that is E. Okay, so another 2 factorial. Another 2 factorial. The L and the R are not the same. So this is how your arrangement is going to be if you are picking up at the time. But say T should not be together. So you say this is the entire arrangement when you are picking all this at the time, and T should not be together. Then you subtract from minus T should be together, which is 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial. And this should be your answer. That T should not be together. Okay, so you find the arrangement that this is picking all this at a time. All right, this is how it will be, minus the arrangement that T should be together, and this will give you T should not be what? T should not be together. Okay. And sometimes they can ask you those that should be together. For instance, we can talk about if there are people that are going to sit on the seat, and you say that, okay, there are 2 people that should sit, okay, together. So if the 2 people should sit together, then you consider them as what? You consider them as 1. But if you consider them as 1, you should also take note that this person can switch here and this person can also switch here. So that one too, you multiply by 2, and then you get your answer. All right, so let's go and look at some examples and know how to do it. Okay, so let's look at the question. Find the number of ways of which the letters of the word syllables can be arranged if A, the 2 L's must always be together, B, the 2 L's must not be together, C, the vowels must start, D, it must start with Y and end with B, and then E, A and B must be together. Okay, so before that, okay, I will start with we are going to find the number of ways, okay, the word syllables can be arranged if you are taking all at a time. And I think with that, it will help us to look at they must, especially the B, the 2 L's must not be together. Okay, so first of all, let's look at the word syllables. Okay, if you are taking all at a time, how the arrangement can be before even we start with the A, B, and then the C. Okay, so we have the word syllabus. Okay, so with the word syllabus, we have how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that will be 8. The arrangement will be 8 factorial. Okay, that will be 8 factorial. Then let's check. I think there are words that are identical. Okay, so we're first of all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 factorial. Then the letter S is repeating 2 times over 2 factorial. Then what letter again? Y is only 1. L is 2 times, so another 2 factorial. So L, 2 L's. And then A is only 1. B is also 1, and U is 1. Alright, so this is how the word syllabus, okay, can be arranged if you are taking all at a time. It's only 2 where the S and the L that are the same. Y, A, B, and U are different. So 8 factorial over the 2 letters, or the 2 letters that are there. S are 2 and then the L are 2. So 8 factorial will give us what? 40, 320 divided by 2 factorial is 2 times 1 is 2. So 2 factorial is 2. 2 factorial, 2 times 2 will give us 4. So that you get 40, 320 divided by 4. And that will give us, let me bring it here, 108, 1080, so 10,080 ways that the word syllables can be arranged. Is that okay? Now we can start A. So this is a general arrangement. Okay, if I just want to arrange the word syllables, this is the number of ways I can get. Okay, the 2 L's must always be together. Okay, so if the 2 L's must be together, the 2 L's are taken as 1 letter. So the 2 L's is 1 letter. So if the 2 L's is taken as 1 letter, how many letters are we going to have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are going to have 7 factorial. Okay, so because the 2 L's are taken as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we are going to divide because we have the word what? The word we are going to divide because we have the letter S also appearing 2 times. Okay, so 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial. That is if the 2 L's must be together. So the 2 L's is taken as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, and then we have S, okay, appearing 2 times. So we divide by the 2 factorial. So that what are we going to get now? We have 7 factorial will give us 5040 divided by 2. Okay, 2 factorial is 2. So divided by 2. That give us 2520 is 2520 ways. Okay, so we are going to get 2520 ways for the word syllables. Okay, if the 2 L's must be together. Then let's go to the B. The 2 L's must not be together, or you can hear they must be separated. So you find that if the 2 L's must be separated, what you do is that you find the arrangement of the word syllabus, then you subtract the arrangement that the 2 L's must be together. That is how you get the 2 L's not being together. So what is the arrangement of the word syllabus? That is first of all we get what? 10,080 minus 2520. And that will give us the two L's must not be together. Okay, so if the two L's must not be together, then you find the arrangement of the word syllabus minus the two L's being together. So that is 10080 10,080 minus 2520, and that will give us 7560. 7560 ways. That is when the two L's must not be together. All right. Okay. So let's continue to see. Okay. So let's look at the C. It said the vowels must start. Okay. So what we are going to do is to look at the word syllabus and look at the letters that are vowels. Okay. So S-U-L-L-A, A is a vowel, and then U. Okay. A and U. There are some people who consider Y also as a vowel, but we consider only the A and the U. He said that in the arrangement, the vowels must start. He just said the vowels must start. Okay. So the vowel, not a vowel, the vowels. So the two vowels must start. Okay. So in the arrangement, it can be that A, U is starting, which is also a vowel, or UA, because the vowels must start. UA. All right. But how many letters do we have in the word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if AU is starting, how many letters left? We have S, Y, double L, and then B, and then S. The same thing will apply here. S, Y, double L, B, and S. So it can happen in this way. All right. So that if AU is starting, then this S, Y, L, L, B, S. Okay. We arrange them. Or UA will start and this. Okay. So you realize that these two are starting what? We can get two ways, either AU or UA, because the vowels must start. So the two vowels must start, but we don't know which one is first, so we consider all the two. So if we consider the two ways, which is 2 factorial or 2, then we multiply by the arrangement of this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that will be 6 factorial divided by, okay, S is 2, 1, 2, 2 factorial, and then L is what? L is also 2. That is 2 factorial. All right. So these are the two ways. That is what I've written here. The 2 factorial or 2. And then when you consider the word that is S, Y, L, L, B, S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 factorial over S double 2 factorial, and then L double 2 factorial. Is that okay? So this is what we can get. And take note that this is just constant there, and these two we arrange this. So the arrangement will be these 6 particular letters there, or this can change. Okay, that is UA, and then the arrangement will still be this particular 6. So we have 2 factorial times 6 factorial over 2 factorial, and then 2 factorial. Okay, 6 factorial will give us what? 720. So we have 2 factorial multiplying 720 divided by 2 factorial by 2 will give us 4. And 2 factorial is 2. So let's see 720 over 4. That will give us 180. Okay, 180. So if that will give us 180, then 2 times 180 is going to give us 360. So 360 ways. Okay. If the vowels must start, then we have 350 ways. So the the vowels are 2, and the 2 have to start. So 2 ways, that's the 2 factorial. And left with this word, S, Y, L, L, B, S. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 factorial. S is double, and then L is double. So we have this. I believe that is clear. All right. Okay, so let's go to the next question. All right. Okay, so let's look at the D. It said it must start with Y and end with B. Start with Y N will be. So how many letters are in the word syllable? That is 6. So it is constant. If I must start with Y and then N will be, then 11 is 6 letters for me to do what? For me to do the arrangement. Okay. So 11 is 6 for me to do the arrangement. So this, since Y and B are constant at the ends, then it will leave like 6 letters to do the arrangement. So start with Y, N with B. So what are the 6 letters? That is S, L, L, A, and then U and S. So the arrangement is going to be based on this. Okay, on this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On this 6 what? On these 6 letters. You are going to arrange and then be fixing them there. And then be fixing them there. So arrangement is going to be just based on these 6. So if it's just these 6, then that will be 6 factorial, 2x are there over what? 2 factorial, and then L, 2L, so another 2 factorial. So that is how it is going to be. Alright, these 2 are just constant, they are there. So the arrangement is going to only be based on this. Okay, so 6 factorial is going to give us 720 divided by 2 factorial by 2 factorial is what? Is 4. So 720 by 4 will give us 180. So that is 180 ways. 180 ways. Alright. I believe you get it. Okay. Then let's go to the E. We are going to end very soon. The E. Y and B must be at the ends. So Y and B must be at the ends. Alright. So this is quite different from this one. He said that Y and B must Y should be first. Okay, he said it must start with Y and N will be. So Y is first, the B is last. He said Y and B must be at the end. So it can even be YB or BY. They are the ends. Alright, so these are 2 arrangement, that is 2 factorial or 2. So can either happen that you have Y starting B ending or B starting Y ending. He said Y and B must be at the ends. If that is the case, then you have what? S, L, L, A, U, S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 left. Okay, that will be in the middle. So these are 2 ways. So that is 2 permutation 2. That is 2 or 2 factorial. Okay, or you can just say 2 multiplying. This is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factorial over 2 factorial and then 2 factorial. So yeah, 2 factorial is 2. So 2 times. Okay, so when you work out, we are going to get to 180. So 2 times 180. So this is the same as this one. Okay, and what is 2 times 180? That will give us 360. So that is 360 ways. Alright, 360 ways. 360 ways. Okay, so let's look at the last one. The last one says what? F. A and B must be together. So A and B must be together in the arrangement. Wherever they are going, A and B must be together. So here, what you have to take note is that if they must be together, you consider them as what? As one letter. Alright, you consider them as one. But if they must be at the ends, okay, that is what we have done there. And they must be at the ends. So if they must be at the ends, then it means that it is 2 and you arrange the one that's in the middle. Okay, but if they must be together, then they can be anywhere. They must always be moving together. Is that okay? So A and B must be together. So A and B must be together. So A and B is taken as what? Is taken as 1. And if taken as 1, how many do we have here? Okay, we have 6. We have 8. So A and B, so the rest will be 8. Aside A and B, I'll have S, S, Y, double L, and then U, and then S. This is what I'm going to have. Okay, so you say A and B must be together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to have 7. All right. But as A and B are being together, okay, it can happen that B will come first and A will come second, or A first and B second. It said they must be together. It means that they shouldn't be separated. They are always joined what? They are always joined together. All right, they are always joined together. So it can happen that I have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I will also take, so if they are together, A and B can be anywhere. All right, but they have to be together. Okay, but they being together, you have to consider the two ways. So first of all, if they are together, you have to pick them as 1. So if I'm picking them as 1, then that is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 factorial, okay? Over S is 2 factorial. And then L is also 2 factorial. Alright, but as I said, as even they being together, it can happen that B will come first and A will come second, or A will come first and B will come second. So I have to multiply by 2, or 2 factorial. Alright, so this is how it is going to be. Okay. So this will be 2 times, we have to work out the 7 factorial over 2 factorial, give me 4. So 7 factorial divided by 4. That will be 1260. 1260. And you multiply by 2. 2 times 1260. And that will give us 2520 ways. Okay, so that is 2520 ways. 2520. That is A and B must be together. And so take note of must be together, and then must be at the ends. Okay, must be together and then must be at the ends. You should know the difference. All right, so we are done, and I believe and I know you understood this. I will see you again as we solve more questions on permutation. Bye bye.